Let's look at number 19. On your printed copy, it is 5/8. I have changed it to 8/5, so you'll get a little extra help. 8/5 of a number, so 8/5 times a number equals 8. So 8/5 of a number is 8. Find the number. So remember, I told you that I look at this as 8x over 5 equals 8. And now this is 8 times x divided by 5. So in order to undo this divide by 5 right here, I'm going to multiply by 5 because multiplication is the inverse of division. So let's multiply both sides by 5, okay? And now that cancels out and I'm just left with this top number. So 8x equals, and 8 times 5 is 40. So now I'm going to divide both sides because in order to undo this 8 times 5, I have to divide by 8 because I want the x by himself. So it is going to be x equals 5. Okay, that was not on your printed copy review, so that's just a bonus. And number 20 was also a little different. I had a typo here, but I wanted to point out the wrong step. So in this first step, they did this correct. They said 5 times 2x is 10x, and 5 times -1 is a -5, and then they just brought the rest down. But in this next step, they went ahead and added 5 plus 3 to make 8. Well, that's not what you're supposed to do. This is a -5 plus 3. Okay, so a -5 and a +3, they are opposite signs, so we're going to subtract them. 5 minus 3 is 2, and we're going to keep the sign that we have more of, and we have more negative numbers. So it should be a -2 there, not a -8. So step 2 is where the error occurred.